Hi everyone. In this video, let me discuss about the necessity of clothing and the history of clothing. We wear clothes mainly to protect our bodies against weather, strong sunlight, extreme cold or heat, and rain. Clothes also protect us from insects. We also wear clothes to make ourselves look smart. That is why many of us want to wear clothes according to the latest fashion. People in different regions of the world wear different kinds of clothes. The kind of clothes people wear mainly depends on the climate of a place. The traditional clothes worn by people in our country vary from region to region. Clothing was invented between 50,000 and 1 lakh years ago. Stitching needles made of bones and ivory, about 30,000 years old, have been discovered in Russia. Long ago, people covered their bodies with animal skins in cold regions and with bark, leaves, and grass in warmer regions. After the discovery of the stitching needle, skins of animals were used to make fitted clothes like trousers. When people learned agriculture, they began weaving plant material by hand to make cloth. In most places, they wrapped the cloth around themselves like sari, dhoti, sarong, and turban till the use of stitching needles became popular. In 1991, a preserved body of a human male, nicknamed Wodzi the Iceman, was found on the Austrian-Italian border. It was clothed in a fur cap, a loincloth, leggings, leather shoes, and a grass cloak. Clothing also makes one to express their modesty. Many cultures and societies use clothing to cover the body according to social norms and personal beliefs. Identification and status. Clothing can signify social status, their profession, or group affiliation. Uniforms, business attire, and ceremonial garments are examples of this identification and status. Clothing allows individuals to express personal style, cultural identity, and social belonging. Fashion plays a significant role in how people present themselves and perceive others. Clothing is designed for specific activities such as sportswear for athletics, protective gear for construction, and specialist attire for medical professionals. In prehistoric times, the earliest humans used natural materials like animal skins, leaves, and grasses for protection and warmth. In ancient civilizations in Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley, and China, early civilizations used materials such as linen, wool, and silk. Clothing styles were influenced by climate, resources, and cultural practices. In Greece and Rome, clothing such as toga and tunic reflected social status and were often made from wool and linen. In Middle Ages, clothing became more complex with layers and fitted garments. Distinctive styles emerged, including the use of embroidery, brocade, and elaborate headgear. Renaissance to 18th century, clothing styles evolved with changing tastes and technological advancements. The introduction of new fabrics like cotton and advancements in weaving and dyeing techniques led to more varied and intricate designs. Fashion became an important indicator of social status with elaborate gowns, suits, and accessories. In 19th century, the Industrial Revolution brought significant changes, making clothing more affordable and accessible due to mass production. New materials like synthetic dyes and the sewing machine revolutionized the clothing industry. 20th century to present, fashion became more diverse and democratized with rapid changes in styles and the emergence of global fashion capitalizes like Paris, New York, and Milan. Hope this video helps you about the necessity and history of clothing. Thank you.